Early morning, people. We're back, man, to another Yasawa Namara episode. This morning we're gonna prepare to do some cooking, man. Cooking over fire. And we're gonna cook this fish that my Tawia has saved in the freezer for us. He says this is a very expensive fish if you're gonna sell it in Lautoka market. So he wants us to cook it and then, you know, have a taste. So rockcod. Oh. I haven't seen the fish yet, but I'm looking forward to see. And this is just the prep for our cooking. See there. Okay, we're gonna roast some breadfruit too. So you can see here, night is up there. Another night. Also from Nambukulibura.
No. This is a fruit that
The breadfruit there. That's one. Bro, look at the boy in the red shorts. Look all the way up there, man. Ui. Look at this one.
my view. Oi! Jangan bertanya lagi. Aja corona, boy se não tiver. Se não tiver. Benar? Awak. Apa? Mana ke pun?
We will have the lime and onion. Now the breadfruit. Now we're gonna put the fish on.
Walang Amelia. Wait. Hey.
And also now the chili. AKA bor. This is a fish. What is that again?
Rockcod.
Rockcod.
Nandun,
Oh, rockcod.
Boy. We're gonna for $30.
Oh. $30 to $40 one, sometimes even $50 for one. Boy, that's crazy. For one fish, but they say it tastes good. Rockcod. People, we are at the community hall right now. I think it's here we're gonna do the cooking. Man, what a lovely view. I'm gonna have to do a cookout there. Look. The mainland is over to the left there. You can see Bomo in the far distance, a small island. That is a well-known luxury resort here in Fiji. Yeah, haven't been there, but my wife has, and she says it's nice. So maybe one day. You can see the youngins here. Voila. Okay, people, we're gonna get some firewood ready, and this is the host I'm staying at. That is homestay or village Airbnb. This is Manu. And now we're just gonna prepare some firewood, and then we're gonna cook the breadfruit first, I think. You can see the smoke is coming out. You can see here, this is the fish. Oh, may takawang ko. Oh, may bad.
Jelly wabu. Ishare naman nakatay, nakatay. Ato naman price na kamay ko lang dito ba?
Mana to? Uy. Ena coconut taste juga na ikong.
Na flesh ka lang, na flesh TV ba?
Oi.
Na taste niya, ito kami na flesh ya.
Oi.
Kaya kaya raw no mo ito. Ganin ko ang nakatay, alam mo mo. Nakatay. Masara na kami na ro.
Well, I don't think I've tasted this fish, but I've only heard things about it. That it's a really, really tasty fish, and it's very, very expensive at the market. But here in the village, if you don't sell it, it's free. See? Look at the color of it. So now we are just gonna
Volante?
peel the skin. Make sure all the hard parts are not there when we eat it. It's also gonna help when we roast it on the fire, cook it over fire. Now it's time to take out the intestines. like that.
This for the dogs.
So for the dogs.
And this is for us.
Boy, taking out the gills.
Set. Siya, kay Mushu. Kaya mo ko.
Sing! Boy, look at those cuts. For the heat, eh?
For the heat to go in. Bisa. Skrepan ko, sabulit na may kinaskrepan. Yung sarap na kanay ka.
Hey. Okay, time to put the breadfruit uto. Be careful, be careful. It can be very hot. Kevin, we are trying to turn the breadfruit. We want it all blacks on all sides. You know? People, I think they are beginning to look good now. Getting the color that we want, all blacks. You know. Now you can see here my child is testing it. Uy, uy. Buta? Time for some tang juice.
Alas niya, doon na ayaw. Wala ko na yun. Wala ko na yung slice. Sana maroto ko. Dali pa wachi sarten ito nung.
Oh, it's so good, man. I think it's looking good now, people. I think we are ready to get it off, man. People, we are getting ready to put the fish in the fire, or on the fire. Look. And done. Very lovely. Look at the meat. Very fantastic. Can you conda this? I think you can. Even raw, eh? Look at the view again. Very magnificent. So we have it.
Huh?
Breadfruit cooked. And now it's time for the donu.
Doon.
Donu. Uy. Ay, ngo. Just gonna level it a bit. We're just putting the coconut stem,
Insulator.
yeah, like the insulate. So we don't want the fish to touch the charcoal. That's why we're putting that foundation.
Before we used to cook it with charcoal, eh?
Oh,
But new ideas are coming.
this one different style. Boy, look at that. And try to turn it. But color start to change. Look at that. Fantastic. And people, this is something you can experience if you come to Manu's homestay. I'll leave the link, the Airbnb link, in the description for every video, so you guys can just click on the link and then get in contact with him directly. But if you want to do some traditional cooking or stuff like that, like Fijian food, make sure you let him know before you come, so he can prepare. Because sometimes it's very hard in the islands. Let's say you want some fish, and then you come to the island and say you want to traditional cooking like this, and the weather is bad, then it's gonna be hard to get fish. So if you tell him before you come, then he can prepare. Like I told him last week that I want to do some traditional cooking, and then he saved this fish for me because he has a freezer. He said, oh, this one I leave to my tao. When he comes, then we can do the traditional cook. Because this fish, people, it's a very delicate, delicious, unbelievable, magnificent fish. Like next level, top of the table, top notch. It's really, really tasty, you know. But yeah, so far being here has been really, really good experience. The only thing that's been bad is the weather this week hasn't been with us, because I would love to take a hike up, but every time we wanted to, it's not been good. And today the weather has been good, but today I already had plans. Like when I come, I have plans for every day. So I was hoping we could have done the hike yesterday, but when we came back from diving, it began to be cloudy again, and I was like, you know, I won't get any nice shots, so it's not worth 1 hour up or 1 hour down. But look at this. Boy.
Lemon juice.
An onion. Boy, this one is a good combination, man. Hold up. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that, people. Okay, time to try. Boom. Oh. Woo. Really good, people. It's tastes the roast, and meat is very tender, you know. Boy, I saw one comment said this guy, he never says anything bad about Fijian food. No, like there is some Fijian foods I don't like, and yeah, but most of the time when I taste things, it's really nice. But the one when I was in Ra, when they cooked this beef soup, it was really hard. The meat was not tender, but they were sitting there, the women, and I was trying to be nice as possible, but not like saying, okay, it's really hard. I didn't want to disappoint them. Like sea urchin, I'm not really a fan if I have to eat it raw. If you roast it on the fire, then it's really nice, you know. But I remember when I ate it raw, maybe because it wasn't with lime and chili, I just tried it and I didn't like the taste the first time. Okay, people. Now it's boots. Look at the color. Whoa! Yasawa for you. Hey, boy. What do you think, Night? Good?
Sabat tali warna uitui.
Oi. Okay, people. They're gonna pour salt water on it to clean it. Also to give the good taste. Eh? See that? Boy. Oh, kasir. Boy. Oh my lord. Look at that. Boom.
Tara?
Awa me kanino mi watai.
Oh, kari tali warna uto warna.
Wait. So people, not only do they pour salt water on the fish, they also do it for the breadfruit, and then they scrape away the outer layer, the skin. See, like this. Boy. All fresh food, man, and the salt water is too. It gives it a salty taste, you know. Excess like a natural salt.
Coba aja. Tapamboro. Moli. Tes manda.
Boy. Okay, let's taste. Dip. And then. What? But the meat is so dense, but also tender. Like, oof, good taste. This is the roasted breadfruit. This is the fish cooked over fire. Boy, done. So let us taste. Fresh, yeah? Okay, people, let's taste.
Daman-daman daru masuk.
Masuk.
Masuk tu orang apa nak kapal besar nak pergi mama ni sini kita ni apa ramai. Kami bakal pindah-pindah kata cuma ni orang Islam tu nak kawan di Karabi. Orang mani di Karabi, orang mani katum bau ni dola ba. Membalet tanah ni mami sesana bakal mata bubali. Nak kapal besar nak mulai yura, aku tahu. Nak kapal ni kita bolong atai ka, bolong atai nama sesana. Bolong atai ni tabi lebu sama yang Karabi ko. Orang mani mata bubali. Bolong atai nama mata bubali. Bolong atai ni pura-pura ni bola. Orang kena pergi itu ke, pergi bolong atai kita buat nak keluar. Bolong atai sul-sul, bukan sahabat tangga. Ni umbira kena nomen era, mekanik bola kena ango songo tikina na ibu alu ni dah, jisu na ibu bola.
Amen.
Amen. Abi boli.
Okay.
Biboli balik ko.
Oh, iko tamay biboli ko ke. Matu-matu tamay biboli ko.
Se. Kailangan bisa. Itong to kami biboli.
Apa daw?
Oh, good.
Nama? La subuni. Silala. Ito kanya ko siya.
Siguro ko rin pakin. Pa. Snack. See metal there. That's the head.
Eko tambah sa sila sisi.
Okay, people, let's taste the breadfruit, fire roasted. Good thing, we can just dip it in the water. Wow. And here, one thing they eat a lot of is breadfruit. There's breadfruit trees all over the place in this village.
Así siya na.
Boy. See ya. Wait, look at the meat. Look how thick it is. Oh.
Bau mata yung marunalo siya, puro yun.
So good, man. Gotta watch out for the bones, though.
Buli ba naman yun? Ha?
But this fish is real delicious.